Habit family are here presenting before you a video with regard to the Yoga Day. Our students are here performing various yoga asanas. These yoga asanas helps to build strength, flexibility and confidence in our daily life. Here we go.
Tadasana. Stand up in attention position. Lift your arms upwards. Stretch your hands upwards. Raise your heels and come on your toes. Also, pull up your body upwards. After some time, breathe out slowly and come to the previous position. Repeat the same exercise 10 or 15 times. Benefits of Tadasana. It is helpful in developing physical and mental balance. It reduces obesity. It is an excellent asana for those who want to enhance their height. It is beneficial in treating hypertension. Ardha Chakrasana. Stand straight with both feet together. Hold your hips with your hands. Bend backwards without bending your knees with slow inhalation. Remain in this position for some time. Do it 2 or 3 times. Benefits of Ardha Chakrasana. It helps to make ankles, thigh, shoulders, chest, spine and abdomen stronger. It relieves stress and tension. It improves digestion. It cures menstrual disorders. Bhujangasana. In this asana, the shape of the body remains like a snake. That is why it is called Bhujangasana. In order to perform this asana, lie down on the belly on the ground. Keep your hands near the shoulders. Keep your legs close together. Now, straighten up your arms slowly. Raise the chest. Your head should turn backwards. Keep this position for some time. Then, get back to the normal position. For good results, perform this asana 3 to 5 times. Benefits of Bhujangasana. It cures the disorders of urinary bladder. It cures the diseases of liver. It makes the vertebral column flexible and thin. It cures gas disorders, constipation and indigestion. Paschimottanasana. Sit on the ground with legs forward. Then hold the toes of your feet with the fingers of both hands. Then breathe out slowly and try to touch the knees with your forehead. After that, breathe in slowly. Raise your head upwards and come to the normal position. Perform this asana at least 10 to 12 times. Benefits. It is a good remedy for constipation. It gives relief in backache and asthma. It is helpful in curing skin diseases. Halasana. Lie down in normal position. Palms should be downward and both the legs should be together. After that, both the legs should be raised upwards. When the feet becomes straight, then bend them slightly backward. The buttocks and back should also be raised upwards. After that, try to bring your feet backward as much as you can. Then touch them to the ground. The body should be kept in a balanced position. After some time, you should come to the prior position. Benefits of Halasana. The adrenal glands start working properly after practicing this asana. It reduces fats which is accumulated near the hips. The excretory system starts working efficiently. Blood circulation remains appropriate after performing this asana regularly. Pranayama. Pranayama is the yogic practice of focusing on breath. In yoga, breath is associated with the prana, thus, pranayama is a means to elevate the prana shakti or life energies. There are different types of pranayama. Here we will do Anulom Vilom Pranayama. For this, you move your right hand to Vishnu Mudra, that is, your index finger and middle finger bend, and use only a thumb and your ring finger to block your nostrils. Block your right nostril with your right thumb and exhale completely on the left. First inhale, then hold it up for few seconds and then exhale maximum. Benefits of Anulom Vilom Pranayama. It boosts the respiratory system, improves digestion, reduces stress, and minimizes snoring. The understanding of yoga philosophy also helps in making relationships stronger, as the philosophy of yoga talks a lot about uniting and connecting with people. We also need to remember that yoga is about far more than just asana, and there are many ways you can make your yoga practice part of your everyday life. So, bring yoga into your daily life. Thank you.